Welcome to rigorcool.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to automate a great process in LinkedIn using testRigor. testRigor is an AI-based automation tool used for automating our manual stuff. If we want to automate our social media page, which will save a lot of time and effort for creation of posts and greeting or sending out the message to different set of user. So we'll see here how to automate say congratulations or posting or sending out the message or greet message to any individual user automatically using testRigor. For doing general this, if we want to send the message, we are clicking on see congrats and this will navigate into the page where we are sending out this message. So here we will automate this complete process of sending a message on LinkedIn using testRigor. So let's run this flow and see. Here we have processed the file where we are doing the logging automatically on LinkedIn and sending out the message to user from notifications tab. These are the users who are promoted or maybe they have joined a new job or maybe they have switched from previous job. So let's see how the test script will run. Generally, first we are doing login LinkedIn and here we are trying to click on notifications. After clicking on the notifications, we have to click on seen congrats roughly near the see congrats to the person with whom we are sending the message. So what I will do, I will include Ruby this time. So I will just update the code as Ruby to send out the message. So here, this is a message what I'm keeping. Congrats on the new role. Wish you good luck. To write the message in the message box and then click on send. Post clicking on send, I have to verify this message. So this is a message we have to verify it. Once I will click on update and retest, this will start executing. Generally, first we have to do the login, then steps to click on notifications, then to click on see congrats button, and after that it will automatically enter the message and click on send. And after that we are verifying this. Click on update and retest. Now the execution has been started. We can see the screenshot has been generated and post that this create second screenshot here. Now it's reached to the login page. From here, our automation script will enter the username and password and click on sign in. Sign in detail I've already configured in my settings so that it will call my login credentials rather than defining again and again. We can call it directly from the settings tab. We can have all the image or screenshots are available at the time of execution so that we can use it for the future perspective. Even we can see whatever name is defined, it will jump to exactly that place and trying to click on see congrats. Now here again we have this message or screenshots are there. Once it will click, this will navigate into the message folder where our automation script will try to enter the message here. And post entering the message, it will click on send so that the message will be delivered to the respective person. And here we are verifying that message because we want to add included text here. That's why. So that's the main reason we are verifying the message delivered or not. Exactly same thing what we have did. We are checking this message, and if this message is successfully sent, our test case will pass. So this is how we can send a message or send a greet message to any of our connections on LinkedIn using testRigor automatically without spending a lot of time. Sometimes we have lot of notification options are available which we are sending it manually. For doing this, even we can send it happy birthday informations. So we can also say happy birthday, or we can greet or any occasional things like Holi, Diwali, or New Year messages. We can send it by using testRigor automatically without spending lot of time. So this is how we are sending a message on LinkedIn automatically using testRigor without writing a single line of code, which will save a lot of effort and time. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful. Don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.